So today we're going to talk about this Zone 3.5 inch Adventure Series lift kit. This fits 07 to 13 GM1500s, so let's take a look at the boxes. So the first thing you'll notice when you open this kit is these easy to follow instructions to make this install a breeze. And over here we have our top mounted strut spacers for a very easy install. It also comes with these HD upper control arms to correct ball joint angle and increase your suspension travel. This kit also comes with the optional weld-in steering stops on the lower control arm to allow for larger tire clearances. And all the hardware packs to do the install, along with your 3-inch rear blocks that replaces your factory rear block to net a level to tail high stance, along with your extended U-bolts. And it also comes with the upgraded Nitro Series gas shocks for better ride quality. Adventure Series lift kits are a great option for lifting your truck. They offer more lift and performance over a standard leveling kit, and they're not as involved or as expensive as a full lift kit. At the heart of all these Adventure Series lift kits are the fully boxed and welded steel upper control arms. These heavy duty upper control arms are specially designed in application specific for leveled and lifted trucks. These are fully boxed and welded steel construction. These use a index ball joint cup which repositions the ball joint for more suspension travel once lifted. These also use OE style bushings for durability and maintenance free operation. These come with a high quality greaseable ball joint with a red protective anodized cap that keeps out dirt and debris. And these are also fully assembled and ready for you to install. These kits are very easy to install. They also come with everything you need, and they generally require no cutting. They allow you to run larger tires, and they retain your factory ride quality. And also all these parts are either e-coated or powder coated for a very durable and good looking finish. And it's all backed by the Factory Protection Plus warranty. This kit will allow you to run up to a 33-inch tire. And if you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and check us out on social media on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on anything we got coming out. And I'll catch you later.